Alright guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be setting up our EZVIZ camera. So we've already added it to our app, that was in part 1, check out the link below if you want to know how to do that. But now we're going to go look at some basic features and set up some motion detection. Alright guys, so we can get some notifications. So we're going to just click on the camera to get started. Okay, so top right hand corner, a little hexagon icon. Alright, great. So now we're on our settings page. So here you can turn the audio on and off. You've got a light on the camera, you can turn it on and off. And we've got notification and tracking here. We'll come back to that. Okay, so well, we will come back to notification, but auto tracking, this is a great little feature here. So you can just turn on motion tracking, so it will track the motion, or in 360 picture, so it will basically get the camera, rotate round and take a nice little 360 picture. Great features to check out guys, I recommend it. Here you can change your time and date settings. Okay, so it's already in day, month, year, perfect. And that's basically it. You can flip the image, things like that. So, but right now let's go ahead and set up the alarm notification. Okay guys, so let's enable it. Okay, and we don't want to have a schedule, but if you put on a schedule you can have it on, you know, maybe when you're at work from 9 to 5. And motion areas, that's what we're going to click on. Okay, so I'm just going to set this up for a door. Okay, so that is our motion area done. So we're going to click on save, and our alarm notifications are on. So let's go back to the main view. Now hopefully when I go get up and activate the motion, we should get a notification letting us know it's detected something. So hopefully this works guys. Yep, I had a beep. There we go. Now hopefully we get a notification on our app. Let's go back and go to library. Okay, motion detection right there guys. Okay, so not a great view of me, but yeah, if you, like I said, if you've got an SD card in, or you've connected your camera to a recorder, then you'll be able to see the playback. But I recommend getting an SD card if you want to have motion detection guys. But that's basically it there, and that pretty much wraps up this video. Not a long one, I'm afraid. Yep. So what we're going to be doing though is also adding camera to a DVR in the next one, so stay tuned for that, and hopefully catch you in another one. Cheers, bye bye.